Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Big Rooster Show. Sit back, relax, buckle your seatbelts, put your chin straps on because it may get funky.
So as y'all can see, I got my motherboard here. Asus motherboards, you can't go wrong with them. Start off with 16 gigs of RAM. Always gotta lock your RAM in place now. Sniper, 4 gig RAM. 4 gig sticks, I should say. DDR4. Alright, so that's that one. Ryzen 5 processor, AMD. AMD is a lot easier to use than Intel. Take this little bar, you flip it up, this little tray slides backwards and forwards. And the way they make these things nowadays is they make it to whereas you can't put it in the wrong direction. You used to be able to put it in the wrong direction and blow everything up, but you can't do that no more. Believe me, ask me how I know about blowing computers up. When I first started building PCs, way back in the 90s, 93, 94 that is, and when America Online was popping, yeah, that's how long I've been building PCs. When handling these processors, if you haven't grounded yourself, always take and touch something that's metal, grounded to the earth or something. So grab this little rack right here. It's metal. Kind of ground myself. Then I'm gonna go at it. There's a little gold corner. There's a little gold triangle in the corner. That's what you put right in this corner here. If you can see it in this corner right here. And y'all see all them little fine teeth on the bottom of it? Back when Intel first started, man, you could put these things in any direction, blow them up immediately. And it falls right in place. See that? Then you take your little locking bar, push it down, lock it in place, bam, you're done. So this basically is going to sit right on. Oh, it come with the oh no one. Oh, okay, the paste is already on there. Look, y'all. Duh. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna set this to the side for a second. We're gonna grab this. Take this screw out. So that's the inside of a bare bones PC look like, y'all. So you take it and make sure I got all the screws. So the back plate pops in place right here. Y'all see it right here. That part. Goes right down in there like so. Just like that. So just like that, y'all. That's your PC. Let me put some light on in there for y'all. So that's That's gonna be your PC. Y'all can see everything in there brand new. Nothing recycled but the memory. But the memory is basically brand new too, because I upgraded my memory to 32 gigs. So yeah, that part. But bam, that's what y'all gonna get. Shout out to Corsair. Y'all see ain't no power supply in that joint right now. You know what I'm saying? With this. Y'all see it now, the hole is empty. See what I'm saying? Now you just got motherboard, processor, all that stuff. And now your power supply is in. Bam. 4 USBs, SD, XD, and MS card reader. Plugs in and bam, look at that. Now look how tiny this screw is. So don't lose that. Next up, installing motherboard and smoke test. All right, ladies and gents, here's the moment of truth. I got my lights on the motherboard. So here's the power. Let's see if it works. Look at that, y'all. I got fans spinning. Okay. Y'all see that fan spinning? This is your PC. All you gotta do is buy you a beanie, get in where you fit in. You know what I'm saying? Everything in there brand new. Look at that. Everything in there brand new, folks. Everything. So y'all see it just like I do. Just finished you up. Bam. Let's see. And cut. And cut. And cut.
No, it's the last cut.